Hey guys, this is Mashed Tater. I'm here to talk about this little twig. Um, I'm a racer and it's coming winter. It's getting cold out. We're not having any more races around in Missouri, and I need to keep up my skills. I got to keep flying. Brian Miller says I got to get 10,000 hours in. How am I going to do it? I fly my 5-inch drone in the backyard, and dogs all around the neighborhood, barking inside the house. Inside the house, it's a screamer out back. You're gonna see my yard. I'm gonna post a video and you're gonna see my yard. And it's small, and I've been looking for something to fly in my backyard, and I have found it. I absolutely love this. I don't know why this has not been in my life prior to this. This drone, if you do not have one of these drones, you have to buy this thing. It's Racer X. You can get it at Helly Nation. It's where I bought it. Comes with the props. This battery holder on the bottom is absolutely amazing. This guy is a genius, whoever invented that, because it just, when you put your battery in, the thing stands up, doesn't wobble, fall over, nothing like that. That battery holder is, this is awesome. So, a little bit about the drone itself. I have got a Beta FPV 1204 motors, and they're smooth. Oh my God, they're smooth. The Beta FPV Twig, their latest one with the 20 amp EFCs. I've got a 3D printed deal that I printed. It holds my VTX with this RXSR and unified nano VTX, and camera is a Run Cam Racer 2 Nano, something like that, smaller one. And this thing, I mean, I love it. I love this thing. I'm gonna post a video, like I said, and check it out. And I'm not part of Twig team or nothing like that, but this thing is awesome. That's all I got to say. I don't know where this thing flies incredible. I practice my race turns. I do the freestyle with it. I don't know why this thing has not been in my life, because I've been missing out. You got to get one of these. Check it out. Later, Mash Tag.